Are you ready to explore the wild world of hydroponic gardening? Get ready for a journey through 10 different hydroponic systems, each with their own unique quirks and tricks. From floating rafts to misty sprays, these hydroponic systems will take your plant growing game to the next level. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting and fun world of hydroponics. There are several types of hydroponic systems that are commonly used to grow plants. Here are 10 types of hydroponic system. 1. Deep water culture. DWC plants are grown in a container filled with nutrient-rich water, with their roots suspended in the water. 2. Nutrient film technique. NFT. A thin film of nutrient-rich water flows over the roots of plants, which are held in a channel. 3. Drip irrigation. Nutrient-rich water is dripped onto the plant's roots, either directly or through a medium such as rock wool or perlite. 4. Aeroponics. Plants are suspended in air, and nutrient-rich water is sprayed onto their roots in the form of a fine mist. 5. Ebb and flow. Plants are grown in containers filled with a medium such as gravel or perlite. Nutrient-rich water is periodically pumped into the containers and then allowed to drain back into a reservoir. 6. Wick system. Nutrient-rich water is drawn up from a reservoir and into the plant's growing medium through a wick. 7. Water culture. Plants are grown on a floating raft, with their roots hanging in nutrient-rich water. 8. Vertical. Plants are grown in a vertical system, with nutrient-rich water pumped up to the top and allowed to flow down over the roots of the plants. 9. Aquaponics. A combination of hydroponics and aquaculture, where fish waste is used to fertilize plants, and the plants help purify the water for the fish. 10. Kratky. Plants are grown in a container with a nutrient-rich water solution, and the water level is maintained by a float valve. So, there you have it folks, the fantastic 10 types of hydroponic systems that will transform your gardening game. Whether you choose to go with the underwater adventures of deep water culture or the lofty heights of vertical hydroponics, each system has its own superpowers. So, pick your favorite, suit up, and get ready to grow some awesome plants.